wind is getting stronger. Hold on to the basket.
Stay down, Sam! Sit on the floor!
We are too heavy! We will hit the trees! Throw the bags! Throw everything!
Look at the balloon. It is very big.
It is beautiful. I am so excited.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, come on, Max. Jump in the basket.
Okay, look at the fire. The fire is hot. It is pushing us up.
Wow. Look down. The cars look like toys.
The trees are so small. We are very high. We are very high.
The sky is very blue today. There are no clouds. Wow.
The wind is quiet. It is a perfect day to fly.
Look, Max! Birds! Look at those clouds. They are moving fast.
They are very dark.
The wind is getting stronger. Hold on to the basket.
Mom, it is getting cold.
Yes, the temperature is dropping. Put on your jackets.
I cannot see the ground. The fog is too thick. We are lost in the clouds.
What is that noise? Look, over there! It is a tornado!
It is coming toward us!
The fire is weak! The rain is too heavy! We are going down too fast!
I am scared!
Kids, hang on tight! I can't hold it!
Stay down, Sam! Sit on the floor!
We are too heavy! We will hit the trees! Throw the bags! Throw everything!
It is not working! We are still falling!
The red rope! I cannot reach the rope! I need to pull it!
Max has the rope!
Good boy, Max! Pull! Pull hard!
Yes! We are moving up! We missed the rocks!
Rocks! Look! The sun!
The storm is over. We are safe.
Brace yourselves, everyone! Bend your knees! We are landing!
We are on the ground. You saved us, Max. You are a brave dog.
And always travel with your best friend. Thank you for flying with us. See you in the next story on Alpha Daily English.